Hello, this is Adeline again, and this is the first of my on the board video presentation. My project is online instructors training module. I'm working with Dr. Mary Claire Digiacomo, who is the Dean of General Education and Online Learning at Athens Technical College. I went to see her with regards to this, with any project, and then she said, well, she's been thinking about an online training program for instructors who teach online, because currently Athens Tech doesn't have one for instructors who are teaching online. So she said it would be nice if we could work together and then come up with this. So basically, I came up with, I had to sit down, get some books from her, and then also the book that we are using, the e-learning and the Science of Instruction by Clark and Meyer. I mean, it's been a good resource for me as well. So the first part of this, it's sorry about that. Right now the interface is the Athens Tech colors, which is, it has the blue and then the gold. You don't really see the gold that much, but you see it later on. So I just kind of like wanted to maintain those colors. So you start by good. So that is the gold color. So that's the interface. That's how it's going to look. So I have the introduction, which is, pretty much introducing the project, that the purpose of this training is to provide instructors with tools for developing and facilitating an online course. So then of course they have to type their name in here, and then they hit enter, and then it brings them back to, of course, it's the same place where it tells them to the objectives. And the objectives are pretty much the learner will be able to facilitate an online class, the learner will be able to employ technology efficiently and effectively to deliver instruction and assessment, that the learner will be able to apply collaborative learning tools to their online class to get students engaged and cooperative. And also the learner will be able to evaluate students' performance. And then the last one is the learner will be able to build in assessment tool to measure student performance. I think I can add more to the objectives, but for now this is what I have. And then so it actually introduces them to the to what they are going to expect in this training modules. So then they have to enter into the module. So the module will have the instructions, and this is a large scope. So I've divided it into 4 modules. It could be less, it could be more, but in the meantime it's going to be 4 modules. I've not really gone into details with each of the modules, but I stated that each module may take about 30 minutes to complete, and just in case they don't have the time to complete all the 4 modules at once, they can save their work, exit, and then continue later on, so they don't get stuck on about 2 hours or less, or a little bit more depending on how fast they work, because this is a very large scope. So I wanted to make sure that they progressively work on the training. It's not going to be a one-day thing unless they have time to do the one-day training, and then from there there'll be the practice exercises as well. So that one I'm going to develop it but by my learning module, the lesson is going to be based on the Gagne's instructional learning theory, the 9 events of learning. So that's what it's going to be on. So and of course I'm going to use the ADDIE as an instructional design theory to design this whole course as well. So I will need feedback on any suggestions, what you think I should add, or what I should delete, or whether the colors are okay, consistent. Any feedback, I'll really appreciate it. So thank you very much.